Shalom, Chaverim. Hi, friends. It's so good to be back with you. It really is. It has been a long time, right?
Yeah.
So we've been on a hiatus. Do you know what a hiatus is? You?
Yep. It means a break.
It's a break. We've been on a break. And do you know why? I think Mia knows why, because I've been working very hard on it this week. Why are we on a break, Mia?
She's preparing for LEV summer camp.
Oh my gosh, we are doing LEV Kids this summer. It is going to be a phenomenal virtual summer program, and I cannot wait to share more with you. I'm working with my friend Todd from an organization called Hebrew Helpers, and we are putting something together that you are not even going to believe. It's going to be amazing.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited too. Okay, but in the meantime, we did want to at least say hello, because in about 6 or 7 days, there's a holiday coming up. What holiday is that? We've been counting the Omer, right? All the way from Pesach until Shavuot. Mia forgot for a minute. Oh my goodness. Shavuot is coming up in the next, right? Like 6 or 7 days. Next Thursday night into Friday is Shavuot. And on that holiday, that is when we celebrate receiving the
Torah.
The Torah and the 10 Commandments that were given on Sinai to Moses. So today, we're going to go over 7 ways in these 7 days to get ready for Shavuot. Ready?
Yep.
Number
1.
Achad. We can do some mitzvot. You know why?
Because that's part of the 10 Commandments.
It is. So we have 613 mitzvot in the Torah that we're supposed to do.
That's a lot.
That is a lot of mitzvot. So you might not be able to do all 613 this week, but I bet you could pick a few that are really interactive, that are engaging, that you can do right from your house. Can you give us an example?
Well, maybe you can be kind to your siblings.
That's sometimes hard when we're home with them all day, right?
Yeah.
That's good. You could help your parents.
Yeah.
Honor your father and mother. You could make a phone call to someone who might miss your voice. Okay, lots of things. Number 2, Shtayim. You could make your very own 10 Commandments. How could you do that? I'm going to draw it while Mia maybe tells you how you could do it.
So what you're going to do is you want to make you take a pen and paper, or you can get like tissue paper and get creative, but you make like an M kind of and connect it at the bottom.
Right, so it becomes like 2 tablets. And what might you put on these if you didn't want to just redo the regular 10 commandments? What kind of commandments could you make?
Well, you could put commandments in your house.
Or
what I like to do when I draw books or stuff, here I'll show you.
Yeah.
I kind of, to show that there's words, I kind of do these scribbles and stuff.
Oh, so you could just make a decorative 10 commandments, but also that's a great idea. I did that with a group of students a few weeks ago. You can make the 10 commandments of your home. What are the rules that are best to live by to make a peaceful house? Okay, number 3, Shalosh. You could eat cheesecake. Can you believe it? I am telling you in the next week, eat cheesecake. How often do you get told to eat dessert? That's fun. Not a lot. Shavuot is a holiday where we're supposed to eat a lot of dairy. We are going to put right here on this video a recipe for a very easy no-bake cheesecake. So then they can make it themselves, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you might not even need a lot of help. So check that out. Number 4, Arba. You can look to Ruth for inspiration. Do you know who Ruth is? So Ruth was a woman who was not Jewish, but she accepted the Jewish people as her own people. She said to her mother-in-law, Naomi, your people are my people. Your God is my God. And she is a great teacher that shows us it's good to accept all kinds of people, whether you are the same as them or different. And she taught us what it really meant to be kind to people who might not be as fortunate as us. Which brings us to number 5, Chamesh, which is to rejoice in the harvest. Did you know that Shavuot is one of our harvest holidays, our harvest festivals? You did. So Ruth would tell us that we're supposed to give of our harvest to other people. So maybe like we have a mango tree. So we
also have an avocado tree.
We do, and we always tell our neighbors, feel free to take some of that, right? That harvest is not just ours.
Yeah.
It's the earth's, so we should share it.
And also, the reason why is also because we want to share it, and we don't want the birds to get it, because then that's kind of a waste.
It is, although sometimes that's also sharing, right? So maybe we give some to our neighbors and leave some for the animals, since we can't really protect all of it from the animals anyway, right? Okay, number 6, sheesh, is fruit and flowers galore. So we want to enjoy all the fruits of this holiday. Find all different fruits in your yard, in your stores. Maybe make a giant fruit salad, right? Could you make like a picture out of fruits and vegetables to eat? Like what?
I remember one time it was Thanksgiving, I think, and we made out of vegetables a turkey, and one time it was the Super Bowl, and we made something with like fruit.
I think it was a football stadium.
Yeah.
You could be really creative with your fruits and vegetables. You also can bring flowers maybe to drop off at a neighbor's house or a friend's house. It's sometimes really sad that we don't see all of the people we love, right? But we can still leave them little reminders that we're thinking about them.
Yep.
Okay, and the final, number 7, Sheva, you can renew your spirituality. What does that even mean?
I don't know.
He is not sure. Do you know? I bet you're giving some ideas. You could kind of find ways to feel spiritual. Maybe for you, that's listening to music. Maybe it's laying in the sunshine. The sun is in our faces right now. Do you see the shemesh in our einayim, in our eyes? It's a little bright, right? But you could like lay out in the grass in the sun and just listen.
Right after you said that, it got shadier, kind of.
It did. You could listen to the water. I hear some mayim, do you? That's our pool right now. Maybe you could lay out and listen to the sounds of nature. Maybe you like to do yoga or meditate or write creatively, like journal or art journal, right? You could decorate some different pictures that just bring out your spirituality and make you think of what this holiday is about to you and how amazing it is that we were given the Torah. How lucky are we?
Very lucky.
Very lucky.
The sun went away, and now it's shady, so I can actually see.
Wow! So now we can look right in your eyes. You can look in our eyes. We were so excited to be with you for a quick 7 ways in 7 days. I did that wrong. 7 ways in 7 days to get ready for Shavuot. And we are going to go back to getting ready for LEV Kids. So tell your parents to keep a lookout for information. It's coming soon. Right?
Yep.
Okay, until next time,
Lehitraot,
Lehitraot,
Haverim.
Haverim. See you soon, friends.